I think a question that arises today is, what does the future look like? And yes, I am concerned.
We face challenges in energy.
There's absolutely no way that the needs are going to be met 30, 40 years from now.
We're still in the middle of reinventing our economy.
Water is going to be an issue. How do we continue to supply clean water to the vastly growing world population?
One of the biggest challenges that we've seen is access to quality health care.
What's great about the university environment, particularly in engineering, is the freedom to really be imaginative in terms of the technology that might not seem useful today, but could play a huge role in that problem that we can't anticipate.
It's very difficult to replicate the structures of the human body. This is the first time someone has been able to use 3D printing to make a material that's been used to actually save a person's life where there is no alternative treatment.
If we're able to understand this mechanism of energy transfer from solar energy to electricity, we can define not only new materials, but we can actually control the structure of these materials at a nanoscale in a way to tailor the conversion efficiency.
Our aspiration is for Ann Arbor to be the first U.S. city to have fully autonomously driven vehicles operating on its streets. That's called level 4 automated vehicles.
The university supports both startup creation here, but also really the building of entrepreneurs. In my opinion, we will have 100 startups every year here, and we're getting really close to that, both on the student side, but also on the faculty side.
We have this broad opportunity where our students, even while they're here learning, can have a global impact.
I was very involved with Blue Lab, which seeks to support student-driven initiatives to create sustainable change in developing communities. Not just environmentally sustainable, but also looking, is it economically sustainable, culturally sustainable?
We find ourselves actually needing to study the environment and the various stakeholders that would interact with the device, and to generate in collaboration with non-engineers the data that would be needed to make informed design decisions.
Creativity is not an issue. This is the University of Michigan. We have access to incredible talent. Really, the biggest challenge in the world of research right now is funding.
If we don't have the funding to carry on these research activities that may not have immediate commercial benefit, we can't bring the technologies of tomorrow. We can't advance the field. We can't train the people who will be the leaders in the field tomorrow.
I personally have been a recipient of support, and I cannot even begin to explain how much of an impact, the magnitude of the impact it has made on my education. I've been able to do so much more.
It's such a powerful stage to, in fact, both educate our students on, but also to launch some of these solutions from.
I still get graduate students walking the first year going, I want to save the world.
I don't think we can relax for a minute. You know, if you're number one at something, you know that all slopes are negative. You will only fall downward if you don't stay vigilant and keep moving the bar. We have to be creative, we have to take initiative, we have to take chances. There has been a lot of questioning whether we can afford as a people to continue to fund innovation. The only thing I am absolutely certain about in my life is that if we don't, we will afford nothing.